We humans have a big problem. Our planet's resources are running out, but there's a twist. The solution to our problems might just be floating in outer space. It might be just a few million miles away, just waiting for us to grab it. That's right, we're talking about mining asteroids. In this video, we are going to tell you all about asteroid mining and how it could save humanity in 2025. But first, don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't already. Thanks. Now let's get into it. So, what exactly is asteroid mining? In simple terms, asteroid mining is all about extracting valuable stuff like metals, water, and other minerals from asteroids and bringing them back to Earth. And why wouldn't we? These rocky bodies are basically floating treasure chests full of stuff that is pretty hard to get at home. Plus, there are millions of them just waiting for us to tap into their resources. Some asteroids are worth billions, maybe even trillions of dollars. And with so many of them out there, the possibilities are really endless. But here's the thing, time is ticking. By 2025, we could face some pretty serious challenges. Think about it. Right now, we're dealing with a bunch of issues like not enough resources, climate change, and the need for more energy. And these problems are only going to get bigger as time goes on. But here's where those asteroids come into play. They've got all sorts of stuff that we need to tackle these challenges head on. Things like gold, platinum, and rare earth elements, which are super important for things like electronics and clean energy tech. Plus, they've got water too, not just for drinking, but also for making rocket fuel and even for people to survive long journeys through space. It is no surprise then that both NASA and a bunch of private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are on the hunt for asteroids. In fact, NASA has a mission called Psyche whose goal is to explore a metal-rich asteroid named Psyche that is located between Mars and Jupiter. The mission launched in October 2022 and is set to arrive at the asteroid in August 2023. Now, while Psyche is made of iron and nickel, there are other asteroids out there that are packed with stuff like gold and platinum. For example, the asteroid 16 Psyche is estimated to be worth over $10,000 quadrillion in platinum group metals. That's more than all the wealth of every human on the planet. And let's not forget about water. Asteroids like 24 Thetis, which is worth $10 billion alone, have way more water than we can shake a stick at. This water can be used for all sorts of things, from keeping astronauts alive on long space missions to making rocket fuel. But here's the real game changer. All this stuff isn't just sitting around waiting to be picked up. With the right tech, we can mine it and use it to make life on Earth better. Imagine having a constant supply of cheap, clean energy, or never having to worry about running out of water again. Asteroid mining could make all those dreams a reality. Plus, it's not just about what we can find in space. The process of mining itself could create tons of jobs and economic opportunities right here on Earth. According to some estimates, the asteroid mining industry could be worth over $2 trillion by 2040. And let's not forget about saving humanity. With the world the way it is right now, we're facing some pretty scary stuff, like wars and economic crashes. But asteroid mining could be the thing that saves us. If we can find a way to get the resources we need from asteroids, we could end the fights over who's got what on Earth. We could also use the stuff we find in space to develop new technologies that could benefit everyone. Asteroid mining could be the ticket to a brighter future for humanity. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some big challenges to overcome before we can start mining asteroids. It's super expensive to get the tech and equipment needed to do the job. Plus, we don't have the best tech right now that can withstand the harsh conditions in space. And to top it all off, there are some legal issues about who owns what in space, making the whole thing a bit of a legal minefield. But hey, if we can figure out how to make asteroid mining work, it could be a real game changer for humanity. So let's hope that by 2025, we'll be able to use this amazing resource to make life on Earth better. Now, while asteroid mining is still a bit of a pipe dream, one thing's for sure, the future is looking pretty exciting. Imagine a 2025 where we're no longer limited by the resources on our little blue planet. A future where we can look up to the stars and know that we've got a whole universe of possibilities at our fingertips. With asteroid mining, the sky's not the limit. It's just the beginning. Thanks for watching. What do you think about asteroid mining? Let us know your thoughts below. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and technology. We've got lots of exciting stuff planned for the future. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for joining us on this journey through space and time. Who knows where we'll go next? But one thing's for sure, the adventure is just beginning.